Hey everybody, it's Danny here with Danny Reviews, and if you're looking for a screen-free activity to keep the kiddos busy and working on a fun, cool craft that keeps them engaged, this thing here is pretty cool. So this is the Squeegee Art. This is the Animal World kit. It's from Purple Ladybug, and this is a total game changer for an afternoon craft. And the concept's pretty cool here. So basically, you're going to get some sticker sheets. So what's included in this kit is 12 pre-printed sheets with different animals on it. And this is like a card stock here. So it's really nice and thick. And you can see here some of the different animals. So you can get 12 pre-printed art sheets. You're going to get the squeegee itself. This is the star of the show right here. And then you're going to get some sticker sheets. So 4 sticker sheets, 10 paint pens, right? So these are our paint pens with different colors. This tray, everything will tuck in nicely. And we're going to have fun. And the way this kit works is basically you're going to let your kiddos pick a design. You got a bunch here to choose from, and you're going to see these pre-printed designs on there. The animal itself is going to be colored in, and then you got these gray lines or dots. And the kids pick a color. So we could take like an orange, right? And these are paint pens. So if we pull the top off, it has a really nice fine tip. You see there, a nice fine tip. And they're just going to put paint only on the gray lines, right? And they can mix and match colors, but you're only putting paint on the gray lines or the dots. So anything in gray is where they're going to put paint. And then when the paint is there and you filled up your gray lines, you're going to take your squeegee and you're going to come down and pull down that paint, giving you a nice design and revealing some cool concepts, some cool designs, and the kids are going to love it. This is then be able to be a wash. You can wash this, which is really nice. So you're going to want to put maybe have some paper around because it could get messy, but put the paper inside this tray that's included and let the kids have fun. So overall, this is a great kit, a great afternoon craft. So if you're looking for something unique and fun to do that maybe you haven't done, then definitely check out the Squeegee Art Kit. This is the Animal Edition and it's by Purple Ladybug.